if your vision board has not manifested the way you hoped. This video is going to change everything. Hi, I'm Pia, and today I'm telling you the one mistake that 90% of people make. The mistake that blocks manifestation. They choose pictures that look good, not pictures that feel true. Aesthetic over alignment. Your vision board is not Pinterest. It's your subconscious playground. If a picture does not spark emotion, your mind will never move towards it. You don't manifest what is beautiful, you manifest what is emotional. Someone puts a luxury car because everyone puts it, but inside they feel that's not for me. Result: zero manifestation. You put a picture of a peaceful morning with a journal, and suddenly you feel calm, expanded, hopeful. Result: your energy aligns and life shifts. Ask yourself, does this picture feel like me? Does it expand me? Can I emotionally connect to this future version of myself? If the answer is yes, that's your image. This is your final nudge. Book your one-to-one session today and register for the PIAH one-to-one vision board experience. Your 2026 deserves intention, not chance. Come on, act now.